Technically, Make is a builder that assembles everything into one system. You connect Telegram, OpenAI, Google Drive, Google Sheets. AI sees a photo, analyzes it, writes texts, descriptions, selects keywords. Make collects everything into the system. AI analyzes the photograph. Make creates a draft listing and sends it to Etsy. An order arrives, it automatically goes into Google Sheets. A new listing is created, Instagram makes a new post. There are stores with more than 500 listings. Do you think they sit and write descriptions around the clock? No, they automated all of this 3 years ago. You are playing a game where half of the players have been using cheats for a long time. And in this video, I will show you which cheats can be used. Everything works through the official Etsy API. Make only creates a draft. You check and publish. The result, you take photos and create the strategy, the system copies and pastes. Okay, moving on to the screen. Now you see all 8 scenarios on the screen. I will go over the most important scenario in more detail. It's creating listings. All the modules are structured in a logical sequence and have been tested on many clients. So I can confidently say that they work for various niches, whether physical goods or digital products. Although I have a separate script for digital products where files are uploaded, the first module reviews photos that appear in the folder. After you upload a photo, the module triggers. It checks for new photos every minute and then uploads the photo. The Read from Photo module is Chatgpt Vision, which allows you to view photos and produce a result. This result is processed by the next AI agent, created based on a prompt and template. It only generates a title by analyzing the previous agent's response and the instructions you provided. The next AI module writes other data, description, tags, and other fields if necessary. Next, an important module, the structure of the response. We need the agent's response to be structured by fields because when we create a listing on Etsy, each field is filled separately. After this, the main module is Etsy. To connect your account, you need to click Add and just log in. You don't need to look for an API or register as a developer. We just insert the necessary data in the right places, specify the quantity, price. These can be edited in the draft before publication. We also specify personalization, instructions, and click save. Next is the tag module. Tags are keywords by which customers find you in the Etsy store. Therefore, we not only generate tags through ChatGPT, but also take them from pre-prepared keyword lists from the eRank platform. You can take your specific niche or category, make a list in Excel, and upload them. Maybe it could even be several categories, as in my example, which I will show you now. The system itself, the voice agent itself, will choose keywords from the already prepared tables. We can move on. We have 2 scenarios in one here, as we want to look at the table with our keywords per our agent's request. As soon as our tag creation agent for our listing sees a request that he needs to create a listing, he goes to the Google Sheet, reads the list of all keywords exactly for this category. He can recognize product categories based on a previous photo identified by our AI agent. Then he generates 13 tags. We structure and split these tags into the necessary fields and update the tags. That means we save each tag in a separate field. Next, we need to create a router. What does router mean? It divides our process into several branches. The first branch is to read the photo again, but with a different focus, focusing on the alt text, so that we can add alt text to our photo and Google and other search engines can understand what is depicted in this photo.